Welcome to my YouTube page. Today we're gonna try to build a proper table for our lathe machine. So I've been scavenging these parts for a long time. Finally I gather this all parts together. I find the wood things from the old wooden forklift pallets. I cut planks of this part as a structure of this table. I want to make like wheeled table. By the way, I find these wheels on trash, so I'm pretty lucky these days. So I only bought screws, so I didn't spend too much money. So let's get started. Looking great actually. It's looked like a skateboard. Hello guys. I just dropped my camera when I was cutting the board, the green part of the table. Uh, Fortunately, my camera is still survive, but I didn't record the final process of the table's making. So I want to show you what it look like in the end. It's movable, it's stable, and it's look like a sewing machine table. And I'm really happy for the result. It came out really good, but it was harder than I thought. So thank you for watching. Hopefully see you in the soon.